Hi, this is Pat with Right Channel Radios. Today we're going to be looking at a new radio from Uniden, the Pro 538 handheld radio. It's actually a handheld radio that also includes a car kit, so it makes easy use in your vehicle. It's going to be an ideal radio for preparedness or just having a CB on hand if you want to drive logging roads or something along those lines. Let's take a closer look at this versatile radio. First off, see what's in the box. Ooh, okay, well, looks like the radio came tumbling out there. Should probably be a little bit more careful. So here I have the Pro 538 handset. All right, on the top you can see channel buttons and volume squelch. Pretty basic. Push to talk buttons on the right hand side. All right, let's go ahead and set that down. Next, we have one of the battery packs here. I believe this is the battery pack for the alkaline batteries. Yep, it looks like it comes apart side by side. Take that apart in a minute here. All right, next, looks like we have the pieces for the car kit. Similar to, if you remember the Midland 75822 radio, that is a handheld unit that also includes a portable car kit. What is the car kit? So this piece here, this piece will actually slide on to the bottom of the radio. So let me go ahead and slide off what's currently on there. Looks like there's just another little battery pack that's on there right now for the, actually I think that might be the alkaline battery pack, and I think this is the rechargeable battery pack. All right, so here's the radio, and the car kit just slides right on the bottom. The car kit includes connections for, of course, an external antenna. So it has a SO239 connection here that is compatible with a PL259 connector and cigarette lighter plug. And then it looks like another charging cord coming off the cigarette lighter plug, I'm guessing to charge maybe this handheld battery pack. Yeah, it does look like the charger does plug into the side for the rechargeable battery pack if you want to use that. Okay, let's put the parts down here. I have the car kit connected, of course. Okay, what else is in the box? Manual, FCC guide, so you're not breaking the law. All right, microphone clip. Looks like a belt clip and a wrist strap in this package. So belt clip goes right on the back of the radio, and then of course the small duck antenna with a, looks like a BNC connector. Yep, BNC connector means it's just going to push on here and twist into place. Yep, so that's a BNC connector that comes on that. You can just go ahead and twist it right back off. All right, and it looks like that is about it for everything that is included in the packaging. So you can see, just based on the size of this unit, so of course this Uniden Pro 538 can act as both a handheld radio or something that you use in your vehicle with an external antenna. When I mentioned preparedness initially in this video, this is the kind of radio that a lot of folks like to put in their vehicle if they're not using it all the time. Maybe they store it in a glove box. Maybe they keep an external antenna on top of their vehicle, and they keep all the other parts just in a quick grab bag. That way, if they need emergency comms when on the road, you have the radio waiting for you. One thing that makes the Uniden Pro 538 so unique are the multiple different ways to power the radio. So, as you saw, it comes with two different battery packs. One, this larger battery pack holds 4 AA rechargeable batteries, and you can see it does have an indicator light on the front and a DC or AC power port on the side there, so you can see when the pack is being charged. It comes with this small battery pack that holds 3 alkaline batteries, 3 AA's, and this just pulls apart very easily, like so. The rechargeable battery pack pulls apart in the same way. And then, of course, you have your car kit, which makes this radio so unique. So you can use it in the vehicle very easily with an external antenna. Again, you just slide the car kit on. You have your SO239 connection that's compatible with the PL259 connection off any CB antenna. So if you want to pair this with a small magnet antenna, maybe you keep that in your vehicle as well for emergency preparedness. Here is the DC power plug. We all know what this is. Just plug this into your cigarette lighter or DC power in your vehicle, and you can use the radio with an external antenna. So this is, these different methods of power are really what make the Uniden Pro 538 so versatile. It's easy. It's an easy radio to move vehicle to vehicle. If you just want to own one radio and maybe one antenna, move them vehicle to vehicle, have them ready for an emergency situation, or just go for a hike and have some communication. Thanks for sticking with me as we took a close look at the Uniden Pro 538 handheld radio with car kit. If you guys are looking for a radio to store in your vehicle for emergency use, or just to have a nice radio that you can move quickly vehicle to vehicle, the Pro 538 is a great choice. If you'd appreciated the information you learned today, we would appreciate your business at Right Channel Radio.